You get too
Yes.
arrogant
And you think you're
and
smarter, right?
you think you're smarter than the
You're
market, and
basking
the
on
market
the.
comes with a hammer and crushes you.
I like to look at, for me, like as we have discussed, I like to look at the endurance, like what Morgan Housel says, to say, if I'm able to beat the S&P 500, I want it to be 5, 10 years. If I'm able to do that, then I know at least at that time that strategy is working, but it doesn't guarantee that it's going to continue working. Because even if you look
Exactly.
at the annual performance of Berkshire Hathaway, for example, that's a firm that's managed by Warren Buffett and his colleagues. They have been able to beat the S&P 500, but there are some years they didn't beat it, right? But
Exactly.
overall, when they did beat it, it was big, and most of the years. So that's the thing. Investing is not, it's not easy. It's because it does not, it's very complicated. It's not just like what you think. You could be wrong in a big way.